In this video, I'll explain how you can sign up to SproutGigs, and I'll cover the whole thing and sign up with you guys. If you need more SproutGigs tutorials, I'll leave them in the description below, and they'll explain different things and different problems you may be having. But first you want to go to SproutGigs.com, then click on sign up in the top right hand corner, or click here where it says get started. That will redirect you to this page here. So what we need to do is first type in our real name, so Bradley Harrison. I can then type in an email and then a password, and type in the password again. Then I'm going to enter in my nickname here, so I'll just type in like KnowledgeBase YT123. Then we'll select a country, so I'll select the United Kingdom. And if you want to work on SproutGigs and start making money with microtasks, choose I'm a worker. You can change it to I'm an employer later down the line. Agree to the terms, agree to send you offers and emails. You don't have to do this, but I like to. Then click sign up. Then I'm going to save this password, and you can see almost there, confirm your email and go to the login page. So go to the login page and you can then log in. If it doesn't let you straight away, you need to go ahead and confirm your email. So here is the email. I'm just going to copy this into the browser I was using. You just want to click on the link or copy the link into your browser, click enter, and once you've verified, you then should just be able to log in. So there you go, now we've verified, we can now log in. We'll then be taken to this quick guide where it says you can switch your role if you want to, contact support and so on. But now anyway, we're inside of SproutGigs, and if we go to micro jobs and find jobs, here are some jobs that we can complete to start earning money.